Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? Today the weather is so cold outside and very cold. It's freezing temperature outside. So I decided to make something warm and nice food. So we are making some paya today. Paya means goat paya. It's goat legs. So you get like two different kind over here with the skin and without the skin. So I bought it without the skin, all this goat paya. So we're gonna be making this goat paya today. It's like a bone soup. So it's gonna be yummy and warm for you to eat. Then we have one large onion. I have over here red pepper, Kashmiri red pepper, salt to taste, turmeric powder, roasted zira powder, and roasted coriander powder, and some garam masala, half a spoon. Okay. And I have garlic and ginger paste, 2 spoons. And then I have a whole spices over here, 2 bay leaves and 3 green cardamoms and some shahi zira, karabe seeds, and 1 black cardamom and couple of cinnamon sticks and 4 cloves. Okay, that's gonna go in there too. So okay, let's go see how to make this dish. Okay, it's very easy actually. It will take a lot of time to cook, and if you cook in the pressure cooker, it doesn't take too long. So I'm gonna be cooking in the pressure cooker. It will take probably half an hour to make. So okay, let's go see how to make this dish. Okay, I have this thing to put all the whole spices in there when you're eating, so you don't have to worry about this. You can it's going to be very easy to discard the whole spices. They don't come in your mouth. So I like this lots. I can put it in there. Okay, and then okay, put all this in here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I secured all this whole spices in here. So I'm just gonna put it in the gravy just like this. So it's not gonna be inside everywhere. So when you're eating, they're not gonna be. It's gonna be easy to remove them from your dish. Okay, let's go see how to cook this dish. Okay, friends, I have a pressure cooker on my stove. I'm gonna put some oil, around put like 4 spoons of oil, about that much, probably a little bit more. And you're gonna add all these onions in there. Bismillah. Let's start with the onions until it gets very transparent. Then we're gonna add paya. Okay friends, our onions is lightly brown, like I just sauteed a little bit, not really brown. So then we're gonna add all this paya in there. It's very good over here to buy the paya without the skin, so it's going to be really clean. You just have to wash them and cook them. That's all you have to do it. You don't have to do too much. If you have the paya with the skin, it's a lot of hair and everything. You need to work very hard for that. Okay, so I'd rather like to have this paya like this. It's so neat and clean, the white. So we will add garlic and ginger paste in here. Friends, if you're visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe the button. It's for free. Subscription is for free. It's not gonna cost you anything, but my channel is gonna look good. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now this few minutes we're gonna saute it like this with the paya. Then you're gonna put all these masalas. Okay, you have turmeric, zira powder, coriander powder, salt, Kashmiri red pepper and garam masala. This all goes in here. It smells so good already. It's yummy, yummy. It's like a soup. If you don't put too many spices, actually you can drink like a soup in a bowl. It's very good for you. It's had a lot of calcium in the bones. It's good for the calcium for the joints and the bones. If you put like spicy like this, how I'm making, we are gonna eat with the naan or maybe a pulka roti, something. You know, you can even eat with the rice, but we don't eat in my house. But if some people like to eat rice, they can even eat with the rice. So we're gonna wait for a few more minutes. Then we're gonna pour the water. Okay, we'll add some water in there. I have a jug full of water over here. I filled up the jugs of water because it's going to freeze in the pipes. I don't know if it's going to freeze or not. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, that's not going to be enough for me properly. Okay, and got a little bit more water. Bismillah. Okay, so you know what, I'm gonna move a little bit of this and put my whole masala pouch. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this masala packet in there. In India, Hyderabad, where I come from, they have what's called potli masala. Potli masala is almost similar concept, but what they do is they take like a little cheesecloth or something, they put all the spices and put it inside. So I'm putting this one, so it's gonna be the same thing. So okay, then we're gonna cover it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's a pressure cooker. You're gonna cover it. Once the pressure comes, I'm gonna put the weight on it. Then we will cook for 40 minutes. Okay? Then our paya will be ready, inshallah. Okay, I'll see you after 40 minutes. Okay, friends, our pressure cooker is cold and all the steam is gone. So we cooked for 45 minutes. Now we're gonna open and see how it looks. Oh, it looks great. Yummy. It's hot. Okay, first thing is first, we're gonna remove the spices from here. The pouch what we put it in here. You see all the spices. So when you're eating food, you don't have to remove them. It's gonna be easy. Okay. All the whole spices is gone and the flavors is in here. So everybody cooks differently. So my recipe is different. So I think if you cannot compare with the other recipes and tell me, okay, you did this, the other people do this way is cooked. Okay, so I am gonna be making tadka. So in here, I don't want to get very hot, so it's gonna start flying everything. I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt, 1 small cup of yogurt in there. It's hot enough. I don't want to add more hot. So, and then we are gonna add a little bit of fried onions. I crushed them. Now also a little bit of commercial, any kind of commercial paya masala. And I have some almond flour over here, ground almond. So I'm gonna add all this in there. So almond flour is gonna make your gravy a little thicker. If you're eating with roti, you don't want to be too liquidy. So I'll just make this one. So it's going to make my gravy a little bit thicker. Okay. That's the main reason, making the gravy thicker. add almond flour a little bit. That's why I always say stay with me until the end. So I'll give you a lot of tips and tricks in there. Yep, if you watch the whole video, you'll learn a lot more tricks and tips. You fast forward the videos, you don't know what I'm putting it in there. So do not fast forward my videos and watch the whole video. So it's cooked almost. All the oil is coming out from the pan. All the yogurt is cooked. See? I did not put too much oil. If you want more oil, you can put it because it already have oil in there. Okay, we are going to add this to the pot, pressure cooker, and we are going to cook this for a little while, like 15 minutes. Okay, we will add all this masala to the pot. That's right here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here it goes in there. So to make gravy thicker. Some people add some flour, wheat flour. I don't like that. It changes the flavor. See, if you take one of the piece, look at the piece of it, one of the bone. There you go. You see that? We cooked it until it gets a little softer. We still have this little bit meat left on it. So if you cook a lot longer, it's gonna go. See, this is so soft. Okay? See, it's breaking. See, still have some meat left over here. See, so tender. It's jumping. Okay. We are gonna cook for 10 more minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show it to you. Okay. Okay, friends, our pie is already cooked. Ooh, it's been cooking for 10 minutes. They're done. So I'm gonna remove it in the dish. I'm gonna dish out. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay. Okay, guys, our pie is ready, and you can serve with anything. Like a pepper, you can put green peppers on it, cilantro, lemon juice, and you can serve with the garlic naan. It tastes real good with the garlic naan or plain naan or paratha or roti, anything. Okay. Okay, if you like my video, please click like, share and subscribe. Okay, see you next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.